Leapion Laser is located in Jinan City, Shandong Province, China. We have been engaged in laser machine production since 2007. After years of hard work, we has grown into a professional laser equipment supplier with integrating R&D, production, sales, and service. Our products cover CO2 laser engraving machine, CNC router machine, fiber laser cutting machine, fiber laser marking machine, and welding machine, which can meet different processing needs for customers. We have a standardized laser equipment manufacturing basis, more than 30,000 square meters. There are more than 350 people in our company, and we have strict production standard for our machine, as well as the quality control to ensure compliance to the international standard. In recent years, the company's products have been sold in domestic market and more than 60 countries and regions in the world, such as US, Germany, Russia, Italy, Spain, Iran, Brazil, Portugal, Thailand, Vietnam, etc. The majority of our products carry CSA and CE approvals to ensure conformance to global standards wherever they are used. The annual output can reach 5,000 sets due to the high speed, long lifespan, smooth running, and good after-sales service of our machine. We have received the domestic and foreign customer consistent praise. Our objectives are guaranteeing the quality of our products and maintaining high satisfaction for our customers. Choose us. We'll choose the rest assured, that with ease. Let's get together to create a better life with laser.